Hello everyone, my name is Cam and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Plugins are a useful tool for your Minecraft server. They allow you to add many different cool features and customizations such as ranks, game modes, and rules. Today, we will be going over a plugin called Join&Leave. This plugin allows you to set join and leave messages easily in the config, or you can even set them in-game. Starting out, make sure you install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard on how to install plugins. After installing the plugin, restart and head into the config files. To get there, go to your server, click on the Files drop-down tab, and hit Config Files. You are looking for the file called join-leave config.yml. Here is where you can change all the configurations for the plugin. It's very simple. At the top, you can change what it says when someone doesn't have the permissions to change the join or leave message. And at the bottom is where you can change the join and leave message. That's how you can change them in the config. Now I'll show you how to change them in game. So after configuring your settings, hit save and restart your server. After restarting, join your server. Once in your server, to set the join message, type the command \join set and the message. And to set the leave message, type the command \leave set message. And then to access the help page for the plugin, if you need it, type the command \join-leave help. And that's it for this plugin. If you have any more questions or want to check out more features that this plugin has, I will leave the plugin page in the description. That is how you can incorporate the Join and Leave plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.